Now coming to the last part of the last round of the interview. So the last round of the interview was a written test. Yes, a written test. So they gave us a couple of question paper in which there were questions of English grammar and maths questions were there, some reasoning questions were there, and some general knowledge questions were also there. So I forgot which how many questions were there, but we had to solve them there, and we were given half an hour then and there in the hotel only. I'm talking about that these all these rounds happened in one day only. So after we got selected from the second round, we were told to give this examination, and we were sent to another hotel, sorry, another room, where there was one supervisor was sitting there, invigilator I can say, and we were given different corners to sit and give the exam. And after that exam got conducted, it was checked, and after we waited for like half 1 hour, we waited for the results, and we all were seated in the hall, and then finally our result was announced, and I came to know that I got selected. So like I was very happy that I got selected in Indigo Airlines. It is a very big airline, and getting coming from a different background and getting selected in this particular department was a very big thing for me. So I got selected, and after that we got home. And after we got home, like on the second day, we were no on the that particular day only, we got a mail from their HR to send our different documents. Like all the documents were there. We had to also send a photograph of ours, and passport, and I will tell you about the documents in another video or maybe later. So this was the complete interview process, and I can say there were like, how many rounds were there? Two, two, like three rounds were there complete in total. So we got uh, the results at the end after waiting for an hour, and this entire process took about like four 4.5 hours it took, and we got to know about the results at the end. So this was the complete interview experience of Indigo Airlines. Please let me know if you want to know anything else regarding this particular interview, or in Indigo interview in general, for this role or for this particular departments, and anything regarding interview or Indigo Airlines in general. Thank you so much. I am being selected